Okay, so today was another bad day. First of all, it was pretty difficult trying to locate any stocks that are worth trading. Not a whole lot of action. It was difficult to find setups. So I ended up finding a CENX. The volume wasn't too great. I didn't really find much information on it, but I decided to give it a shot because this move coming out the gates, it came up pretty strong, sold off pretty hard, and then it looked like it was ready to make another move. And as the 20 is holding and it's starting to trade above VWAP, I decided to go long here, hoping that we can maybe recapture half of this move, hopefully retest the high. But it didn't work out that way. I was risking, again, I think I forgot where exactly, but if it's confirmed below the 20, that would be my out. I did have a stop, I believe, somewhere in here. I tried a new way of adding a stop loss, and I didn't get, it went below my stop loss. So I don't think I'll be trying that method again for a while. Maybe there's something I did wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the videotape and just see if I did anything wrong. I usually mark it out, but this time I did a limit stop. So I got to figure out what's going on with that. But once again, it stopped me out, and I kept looking at it throughout the day, trying to hope that volume would start to pick up, but it never really did. Typically, I like this type of price action, but it just wasn't. It was looking like the bulls didn't really have control, so I just gave up on it. So the other stock I was looking at or traded is SQ. SQ didn't really do a lot today, a lot of choppiness. I shorted right here. The stock had broke below the 5-minute opening range low, and I was thinking the 200 was going to start holding and create some resistance. Like it was holding up as support for a while, and then this candle made me believe that okay, the buyers are about to lose the fight, and so I'll go ahead and enter here as we start to break below this support level. That was pretty much the worst time to buy. As soon as I buy, it starts ripping back up, and I realized, originally I put a stop in at 126 and some change, but then I realized it's real close to the 20. Why not just let the 20 act as resistance, see what that can do, and then maybe actually just let the red to green be resistance as well, and so I moved my stop higher, and as you can see, the 20 started acting as resistance. So I'm thinking, okay, now's the time to get low. But once again, we start going the opposite direction. I'm thinking, well, as long as the SPY continues to be bearish, I think this stock will eventually break below by the end of the day. That was another reason why I put my stop right above, green to red. Red to green, and just my thesis is, if the SPY is down, so is the stock, and the stock is going to move really fast once we break this level. But it just could not. This resistance level of the 200 just wasn't strong enough. You know, it just pretty much followed the market and just stopped me out right here. Maybe that was too tight, but I got in pretty low, so you know, I had to kind of make it tight because I gave it all this resistance. It had to go through all that resistance. So yeah, I figured it'd be enough, but yeah, regardless, it's a loss. So that was pretty much my day. Nothing really great, just a loss after a loss. But kept things small for the most part. Hopefully tomorrow's better. That's it for now. Deuces.